age. The only problem digital age sa cloud, if we get sabotage. And simula pa lang, pagod na ako. Dalawang klase pala siya, oh. Ito daw yung Saskatoon, tapos yung maliliit yung blueberries. Si honeybee. And be a flower. Attract your honeybee. Yan. Ayan. Ayos. Sariling ano sila mundo. Mura ba to? 597. Tubukan natin. Itang ano, lagyan natin sa smoothies. Ito tayo ito, kailan lagyan natin sa ating noodles. Tayo nito. Oops. Sige, kumuha tayo ng ano, yun, Western Family. Sabon din may-ari niyan eh. Yan mga vlogs, gawa tayo ng carbonara sauce na may oyster. Yan, ginisa na natin kanina yan with butter. Ginisa natin sa butter, unsalted butter. Tapos ito yung ating pasta. Yan, sarap yan.
Full of tourists.
Yan.
Now that tourist was parked in a
Parmesan cheese
for several days. So when we got there, we found that it was indeed Samira's car. My theory was that after dumping her body,
mix natin.
Also dumped the car that they were in that driveway.
Yan.
Law enforcement found Zachary Littleton's DNA.
Ano nyo lang,
Watkins' car.
guesstimate yung sauce. Nilagay ko na lahat.
We conducted a search warrant.
Yung pasta galing sa Costco, yung maramihan. Isa't kalahati nun sa isang can ng bottle of carbonara Alfredo sauce, and then yun, oyster teriyaki ng flavor to, onion, salted onion, tsaka butter. Yun lang, salt and pepper, that's it. The next day. Gandang umaga sa inyo. Gandang umaga sa inyo mga ka-vlogs. Yan. Today it's Sunday, no? It's 8:30. Mornings are very beautiful. Yan, sarap ng huni na. Makinig sa huni ng ibon. Tsaka very nice and comfy yung sikat ng araw. Hindi kagaya pagka tanghali, sakit sa balat. Let's go hiking sa Teapot Mountain. Ayan. Hello mga ka-vlogs, kumusta na? I'm back here. We're on our way to Grace and Kyle's house. Yeah. So usapan natin bakit nga ba ako nagsimula mag-vlog. Wala namang kita dyan sa YouTube. Why? Do I need attention? Maybe. Do I need to be famous? No, but it could happen. But yeah, so it's good for my mental health. What I mean to say is it's your creative outlet. It passes up passes time when you're editing, when you do your vlogging, parang nare-release yung mga tension mo, right? So yun ang isa sa mga dahilan. Yan. Tsaka you know, it's just overall it makes it more like a digital diary. It makes a digital diary of your life, so that in 5 years or 2 years even from now, like I look at my blogs from 2 years ago when I started, and yeah, it keeps relieves out the old memory, right? So yun, it's good for me, and it will probably be good for you too. That's why I'm advising you to start, even if you're over 40, right? And yun nga, if you're over 40, you have an advantage because you have more wisdom and you know, experience sa buhay, right? So you know, it's good for your overall mental health and physical health, and you're there to help people as well. Yan, so yun, sabihin ko lang na it helps out with my mental health, especially after the pandemic. Everyone was isolated, and this is a way of me communicating with the outside world. You know, I know you have a family that you can do that, but it's good that na may digital social life ka rin this age of time of your life, right? So yun, especially dito sa Canada, especially here in North BC, everyone is isolated, everyone is doing their own thing. So this way I can relieve myself, right? Like on my race, sa mental race mo, is you can just relieve it out. So yun ang mga advantage, I guess, ng vlogging. But daily life, in the most hard part of vlogging is the editing part, because it takes time, and then takes time and effort and creative mind, right? And then you put all this work sometimes, and then walang manood. I'm not saying I'm longing for you guys to watch me all the time, but I'm saying, you know, all this effort, what is this for, right? All your hours and effort. But yeah, it's normal for to feel that way as a YouTube blogger, because I've been watching some of the people, like the big guns in YouTube. Big YouTubers are they're all quitting, right? Mostly quitting, you know. Pero believe ako sa mga daily life sa ating mga Pinoy. Yan, daily life, si Kainags, yan, si Sir Rice Velasquez, Sir Carino, yan, si Laina Andulong, and at di ba pa, marami pa yan. Yun sila, Nardino TV. I've been watching you're the IT guy from Vancouver. I've been watching your vlog too. Si Kaurag, si Atoy, sulit, pero paminsan-minsan na lang ata siya. But everyone I support, lahat ng Pinoy if I see him, like it, you know, may mga sinabi silang that I like, then I just click the subscribe and like. That's what we're supposed to do, like support our own, right? Support our own Pinoy bloggers, YouTube bloggers. So yun, at this digital age in time, I think 5 years from now they're just gonna be behind the archive, and if you need to access it, it's there. So you know, whatever you post in internet, it's gonna be there. It's gonna be there forever. So like 100 years from now, you know, your grandchildren will probably have access to your digital archive, like your YouTube, Facebook, and they'll see what the history is like. Yung history na is not on the history books anymore. It's just gonna be in the digital age. The only problem, digital age sa cloud, if we get sabotaged by solar storm or whatever, right? Masira yung cloud servers ng YouTube or ng Facebook. So yun lang ang possible way na masira yung digital archive mo, or Facebook or YouTube will clean it all out and start fresh, right? Yun din pala, Canada, I heard is an experiment for a great reset. Meaning like everything is gonna be reset. Our way of life, our like, kaya yung use ng car is gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be electric, because I don't know if it's sustainable on electric, right? So, and other things. Yan na muna. Yan, order tayo ng egg cheese farmer's breakfast sandwich, $4.99. Medium coffee, nasa reward na yun, $197. Tapos 20 timbits para dun sa bata. Saan na yun? Wala. Ito na. Okay.
Morning, how can I help you?
Yeah, I ordered online 9218.
Just a moment.
Oh yeah, 20.
Okay, here we go. Thank
Thanks. 20 assorted timbits. Nasa more pala. If you press more, it will come down. Itemized. 519 yung 20 timbits na yun. What the hell? Oh, just trying to back up. I don't understand. It's all clear from here.
Hello, just
Hello.
for your order.
Okay. So, yan mga vlogs, we're gonna get ready. So yan mga vlogs, magre-ready na tayo papunta. I'm just gonna go with one car. Makiki-ride on na lang ako sa kanila. Yan. Yan mga vlogs, on our way there. Around 30 minutes. Wedding, RSVP only. Alright. Like an off-road mga vlogs. Yeah. You need a 4x4. There's the hill right there.
It'd be funny if we had to drive it there.
There's the hill.
Ayaw ko na naman na.
Oh yeah.
Ito yung kuyo ko, hindi ba siya?
Another
Here.
hill.
Park
Yan,
here.
ready na nito.
Oh, you just park there.
Teapot
There's a parking
Mountain
in the
Vacation.
section.
Right there.
Ayan, papunta, just starting. Ayan oh, yung bag, andyan na agad. Nasa, sa ano na agad, sa lens na. Yan, on the way to Mountain Teapot. Pakyat.
Pero okay lang naman kasi na yung
Ayan oh. Okay. We're in the jungle. Yan. Hiking to the Teapot Mountain. Yan. Whew. Yan, simula pa lang. Pagod na ako.
Never
Fungi.
seen one like that.
Magic mushrooms. Hingal pa more. Ay, nako. Oh. Oh man. Yeah. Taas. Hingal pa more. If you're over 40, take your time. Pahinga muna tayo. He tells me I need to exercise more. For the winter, lalo na. Yan doon tayo galing sa baba. Bakit pa tayo ron? Go Casey. You tired now? Okay, go. Go. I gotta go. No.
The views are worth it.
That's right. Thanks.
Top when you get there. Trust me.
Yeah. May baon tayong tubig. Pawis na tayo. Inalis ko na yung vest ko. Yan. Oh my God. Maulit kaya to? Hindi. Next year na uli.
Yeah, I'm worried about the...
Berry pala rito.
No, it's blueberry.
Nakain ba yan? Ayun mo. Ayun mo. Tignan na natin. Baka ma-poison tayo nito ah. Sarap. Ayan.
Anti-cancer. Antioxidant.
May bulagta na tayo dito ah.
Kasi...
Lason pala. Naihiyan pala ng bear. Huwag niya kainin yan. Dito yan mga Saskatoon oh, ito. Berries. Hap. Dami oh. Tamis. Libreng blueberries. Dami oh. Makaon. Makaon man. Sarap. Libre ito. Mahal to sa store. Dito tayo kung pumunta, ibenta natin sa store. Kita tayo. Huwag lang ihiyan ng bear. Sarap. Tamis. Another form of mushroom. Dami. Sarap. Tamis. Hirapan ka muna tapos meron pala ito. Sarap. Yummy. Review. Naku, walang sasagip sa'yo dyan. Oh my goodness.
Ito pala yun. Sapatelas. Ganyan.
Look at that.
Ay,
Oh
wait,
my
balik.
goodness. What a view.
Si nanay.
What lake is this? Oh, we're here. Yeah, things. Kayo mag-asawa. Whew. Look at that. Hi.
Sorry.
That's okay. I'm gonna go on that side there. This is the final peak, I guess. Ooh, nice. I could fly my drone here. Nice. This is the peak, mga ka-vlog. So, yeah, worth it. And set up tayo ng drone dito, mga ka-vlog. So,
Ayusin ko yung damit.
yan.
Parang ano.
Hintayin mo lang makakuha ng GPS. Take off for me. Yan, nagpa-drone tayo mga ka-vlogs. Yan o. Ito ang Summit Lake. Yan ang mga ka-vlogs. Summit Lake. And then that's the peak. It's worth it. About was it 30 minutes walk going here?
Yeah.
Around there. Is there more in there or no? That's it? This is
Yeah.
the last one?
Yeah, there's a couple different ways back down, but
Yeah. Hi, Sefi.
Say hi.
Hello. You're already 1 year. Saan yung mga anak mo?
Pintik ka.
Oh,
Kasi picture kita dyan. Kala mo nasa clip ka.
nag-drive.
Oh. As ka na.
Do you like the summit? I mean the peak?
yeah.
Yes? Oh, oh.
No.
Oh, no. Caution, rock climbing. Ayan. Ayan yung ano. Dito ata ano yung ano, mga shooting, yung mga rock climbers. Worth it ang pag-akyat. Ayan. Tingnan naman natin ang pagbaba. Kung yung kakayanihan, tuhod, kailangan talaga magbawas na ng weight. Whew. Let's start going to the gym. Dami yung blueberries. Naku, benta na tayo. Kuha tayo ng marami. Benta natin sa palengke. Ayan. Yun.
Ito isa Saskatoon. Tapos yan blueberry. Ito.
May magkaiba pala yan?
Oh, magkaiba ito matabang. Hindi yung masyadong matamis. Pero yung
Asan yung isa? Ito lang isang kinukuha ko eh.
I-try mo to.
Ano yan?
Iba yung lasa. Try mo. Saskatoon yan.
Saskatoon to?
Yeah.
Ano
Hindi
siya?
siya masyadong matamis. Pang-harvest muna kayo dyan. Kita na lang tayo sa baba. Isa lang naman ang daanan dito eh.
Hmm. Yeah.
Samahan mong dalawang babae na dito.
Oh, sige. Dalawang klase pala siya, oh. Ito daw yung Saskatoon, tapos yung maliliit yung blueberries. Yan, oh. Dito lang sa tabi-tabi. Yan, mahal to sa ano, Superstore. Ang dami, oh. Yan. Yan. Yan, oh. Blueberry picking. Hindi na kailangan magpunta sa farm pala. Dito lang pala sa side, oh. Sa lubong mo dyan, bear. Hindi ka nagpaalam. Kinuhaan mo pa yung pagkain ko, sabi ng bear. Sarap. Ito. Tamis. Na may asim-asim. Lasa niya na kagaya sa ano. Yan. Ito lalaki, oh. Dami. Sawa. Pagkano natamad kang magpunta sa Superstore, drive ka lang pala rito, kuha ka ng blueberries, oh. Yan, dami. Kailangan pala, hindi naman ako na-warningan na marami pala dito. Dala sana ako ng lalagyan. Huwag nyo ilagay sa bulsa nyo, oh. Mamantsakan kayo. Magmantsa. Yan. Okay. Dami, oh. Sarap. Ganda mga ka-vlogs. Kaso talagang delikado rito. Nagsawa na ako. Bago pa bumaba nabusog sa blueberries. Baka lang sumakit siyang ko. Sarap. Saan na? Saan tayo? Sa taas lang meron, no? Ito ibang kulay, oh. Masarap din to.
Iba yung color.
Kaya nga, nag-iba na, magwi-winter na kasi. Tamis. Ang sarap. Ito green. Tingnan natin kaibahan. Mas matamis yung green. Dami, oh. Ito malalaki. Nakatago. Yun. Worth it din pala umakyat dito. Dahil lang sa blueberries din. Ayan, oh. May mushroom din dito. Sawa na. Ayan, oh. Yung maliliit tsaka malalaki pares lang yung lasa. Grabe. Nagubat-gubatan talaga. Ayan. Mountain teapot. Grabe. Ganda naman yung daan. Pag winter to, ice pa siguro dito. Open to all year round eh. Yan. Ito, steep. Grabe. Hirap din yung pababa. My goodness. Bakit ganito? Hindi tayo duman dito. Pinaka-steep na ata ito. Grabe. Pa-side. Oh my god. Ito yung ano, ito yung pinaka-steep part ata. Danger. Danger. Kailangan matibay ang ano mo dito, yung uncle tsaka auntie. Si uncle yun. My god, lapit na matapos ang kalbaryo. Yan, may pulis. Yan, ano masasabi nyo sa
It's the hardest.
ating
Not
hike?
hardest. It's a harder.
It's a hard climb.
So far.
Struggle is real. Yan, mga
But
ka-vlogs.
worth it.
It's worth it. The view is worth it. Yan. Ayos. The final countdown. Yan. Ito mga ka-vlogs. Oh. Kailangan matibay talagang tuhod mo rito. Sa Canada, kailangan mentally, physically ready ka sa lahat ng bagay. Yan. Ayan, natapos na ating kalbaryo. Hanggang dito muna tatapusin ang aking vlog, no? Kaibigan, nakita tayo sa next na video.
Kailan mo ilalabas yan, kuya? Paano
Sige, lalabas ko to sa in 2 days. Ayan, ito ating mga kasama. Shout out mga berries. Oh, buti may dala kang ano. Tawag yan, ziplock.
Yeah,
Yan.
para
Yan.
makasave.
Oh, shout out naman. Shout out kay sa
Sa mga ano,
taga-Abra
taga-Abra, yeah.
from ano pangalan? Doris.
Shout out sa mga taga-Abra.
Yan.
Basta yan na lang. Shout out sa
Shout
mga
out.
taga-Davao.
Taga Davao from ano name?
From Herschel.
Herschel. All right. Ayos, vlogs. See you later.